Hi, welcome to Taylor's Auto Max. Here about an oil change? Well, my name is Molly and I'll be taking care of you today. Right this way. So why get your oil change? Well, it keeps your engine clean, keeps it from getting buildup, and it also keeps it lubricated. We do have our 4 technicians here willing to help you with all your maintenance needs. So with that said, don't forget to check out our website and all the great deals we have for the month of May. When you're ready to schedule your next appointment, give me a call here at 406-727-0377. We are here from the hours of 7:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you guys.